there's generally a big demand for copper moving down the line, and the time to bring some of these mines and new projects to full production capability, takes 5, 10, 15 years. So, we think it's a very nice opportunity to be in.
Welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is Zachary Dulesky. He is the CEO of Super Copper. And Zachary, it's good to see you. How are you?
Likewise, Steve. Thanks for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, excited to learn a bit more about the company and what you're doing. Tell me a bit about Super Copper.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are a newly listed public company on the Canadian Securities Exchange. Our symbol is CUPR or Cooper, and we're exploring copper, specifically down in South America. We're located in one of the best jurisdictions internationally, and we've got an exciting year of work ahead of us.
Yeah, let's talk about getting listed on the CSE. How important was that to get that part of the prep work done?
Yeah, absolutely. We've secured our assets and project down in South America and have been working on it for about 2 years now. But the actual listing itself kind of sets the stage for the next growth prospects of the company. We have more aspirations in addition to our exploration program. And I think being a publicly listed company is really going to help supercharge that.
Yeah, so let's talk about the project itself. Tell me a little bit about it and some of the work that you're doing. It's in a pretty prolific area, right?
Yes, absolutely. So specifically, we're located in the Atacama province, and in this area, you have some of the biggest majors in the world. So, for example, Lundins are close by us, Capstone Copper, etc. And our specific project, it's very greenfield, and it's in a very nice location where we can work on it year round. And we've gotten very nice initial sample results from the field, where we're getting around 1 to almost 2.5% copper concentrations. And we believe, we're sitting on something quite interesting. So specifically, the next 12 months are comprised of another field program, which will be all the geomagnetics, hyperspectral data, sample data. And then based on the results of that field program, the subsequent sort of first half of next year anticipated, we're looking to launch a drilling program based on, where we think will be the best location for us.
Yeah, is it the Cordillera Cobre? Is that how you say it? Am I saying that
That's
right?
correct. Yeah, that's the
Okay, good.
specific name of our project. Yeah, correct. You got it.
That's good. I got that right off the
Yes,
first one. That's
thank
pretty
you.
good.
Yes, sir.
So you mentioned the all that sort of field work that you have to do. Do you have areas specifically that you want to look on the project right now, or is that going to be sort of decided as you continue to finish off this work?
Yeah, so it's going to be decided as we finish off this work, but we've identified 3 main targets on our property. We have quite a substantial concession package. It's one plot of about 7,400 hectares, and we have 3 particular areas that are all a little bit different, but all have yielded over 1% copper concentrations, up to 2.4% and some larger. So our work is going to be one of those 3 we anticipate drilling, and it's just a matter of which one is going to be the most promising for us. And, in terms of the actual geology itself, it's hard to say, but this region includes both IOCG type of deposits and deep porphyry deposits, which we've seen with some of the majors that are close to us. So we're looking at all potential aspects, and, we're going to decide on which one we're going to anticipate to drill within the next few months here.
Yeah. And lastly, Zachary, what about the opportunity around copper? I mean, just we've heard so much about it with the electrification of the world and just the importance of copper and how there needs to be more of these type of projects moving forward in order to fill demand.
Yeah, absolutely. There's generally been an underinvestment in, copper mines globally for the last 5, 10 years. And the global supply, it's diminishing in terms of ore grades. So there's generally a big demand for copper moving down the line. And the time to bring some of these mines and new projects to full production capability, takes 5, 10, 15 years. So, we think it's a very nice opportunity to be in. And in terms of equities themselves, they've always outperformed the spot price of copper. So, we think our specific position gives, investors unique leverage in one of the best jurisdictions worldwide. And as the world continues to need copper for everything, we think we're in a good spot.
Zachary, thanks so much for the update. Really appreciate it and look forward to following all the work that's done the rest of this year and into next as well. Okay.
Thanks very much, Steve. And to any investors, they can see our website at supercopper.com and sign up for all the updates there. Thanks for having me.
There you go. Yeah, good to have you along. Zachary Dulesky, he's the CEO of Super Copper.